ICICI Prudential Children's Fund is an open-ended fund for investment for children having lock-in for at least 5 years or till the child attains an age of maturity, whichever is earlier. This means that once you invest in this scheme, you cannot withdraw the money for at least 5 years unless your child turns 18 before that period. This helps you invest in your child's name to meet their long-term goals like education, marriage, and more. As a solution-oriented scheme, it invests in both equity and debt, where equity allocation may range from 65 to 100% and aims to generate capital appreciation over the long term, whereas allocation to debt security may range from 0 to 35%, with an aim to provide stability during market volatility. When it comes to stock selection, the scheme focuses on blend of top-down and bottom-up approaches. With the bottom-up approach, the fund manager of this scheme identifies companies with above-average profitability and sustainable competitive advantages. And with the top-down approach, it seeks for risk control through sectoral diversification. This scheme has higher flexibility as it can invest across market capitalization depending upon the valuations and macroeconomic factors. Now, owing to the structure and long-term focus of the scheme, it comes with a lock-in period of 5 years or till your child attains the age of maturity, whichever is earlier. So, is this the suitable scheme for planning your child's future? This scheme is suited for those who are looking for disciplined and ideal approach to create sustainable savings for their children's future needs. Your investment horizon should be 5 years and above. To summarize, here are some key takeaways of the scheme. So aim to conquer your child's growing demands and dreams by investing in ICICI Prudential Children's Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.